Hello everyone, welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today we will do the quick unboxing of Xiaomi Mijia camera, smart camera which has the waterproof design and 170 degrees angle view. This came from the China directly, and this is the new camera with the cheap price is something like $25 US, and with full HD resolution, night vision, etc. Let's start the unboxing. Let's see how is the packaging. This one I assume this is the external packaging. And the real camera is, yeah, this is extra packaging, which is good to know that seller provided for the not damaging the device itself. And you can see this bubble plastic, and we will remove this. Here is the camera itself. It's a Mi logo. All is Chinese, but I assume it will have a English connection, a menu with the Mijia application, Mi Home. And what is this? It's the HD or the degree 170 degree viewing angle, night vision mode, and IP65 water resistant rate. In the back side, everything is in Chinese, and Wi-Fi standards, Full HD, Android 4.0 or above, and iOS. So this is the whole application part. Here is nothing, and the other size is all in Chinese. It's just I can understand that it's H265 is the format of the video encoding. Maybe it's because that this is supports also the sound and maybe fast moving detection, and I don't know what this is. Here is the design of the camera. It's also designed to be used like this when you hang up from the ceiling. And let's move on and open the package. Okay, here is the small leaflet which shows that you need to scan this to get the Mi Home application. And I have Mi Home as I am using one of the cameras of the Xiaomi, and here it is. Yeah, it's very strange. It doesn't have any stand, but maybe this is here. Let's put it here, see what's inside. Yeah, we have a good power brick, the Xiaomi quality, and this is a standard power brick. We have also, what is this? It's not coming out. There is a long cable. Okay. We have this cable. Let's see how long it is. It is pretty long. It's like 1.5 meters. It's a USB to micro USB, and there is a this is a stand. This is magnetic. Oops. So it can be like put on the shelf, or also it can be hanged because the magnet is enough. You see, it's not dropping. Magnet is pretty strong, so you can fix this in the ceiling, and then that's it. Okay, but let's see what's hiding this place. What is this place? Oh, this is a I assume this is micro SD card slot. It's very close to that, but this is very nice to know that this supports. I have another camera which don't have this storage support. So this is it, guys. This was the quick unboxing of Xiaomi Mijia new smart web camera, which supports Full HD IP65 standard. It comes with the power brick, with the cable, extension cable, and this is the interface to be connected, this micro USB cable. And as you can see, this is a stand, magnetic stand, and this is the camera itself. Stay well, stay cool, stay healthy, and peace. See you the next one.